Hey guys, Taylor Knapp here with Moto Everything, where no matter what your moto addiction, we've got you covered. This is a product review video on Motul's off-road chain lube, so check it out here. So we've got the Motul off-road chain lube. This stuff is specifically designed for off-road use for motorcycles, ATVs, go-karts, anything with a chain. This is the non-sticky, non-tacky kind. It works well with or without O-ring, X-ring, or Z-ring chains, and just keeps the mud and the gunk and the grease and the dirt and sand, soil, just anything, keeps it clean, keeps the chain lubricated, keeps it clean, helps protect against rust, and pretty straightforward with the chain lube. But if you've got any questions about any of the Motul product line, make sure you give the guys at Moto Everything a call. Number is 888-633-5420. Check out the YouTube channel at Moto Everything 1 for more Motul product review videos like this one. So that's it for now, and we'll talk to you next time.